The Lincoln Corsair is an all-new compact luxury SUV that is replacing the outgoing Lincoln MKC. Like the MKC before it, the Corsair is based on the Ford Escape, which is also all new for 2020. Lincoln has done a nice job differentiating the Corsair from the Escape to the point that it's not clearly obvious to the casual observer that they have anything in common at all. The new Corsair adopts its own version of the new Lincoln design language, and it has a pretty close family resemblance to the midsize Aviator. We think that's a good thing because the Aviator is a beautiful SUV, and this look translates well to the smaller Corsair. It's a sleek look with tasteful use of straight lines and curved edges to exude a truly premium look. Stepping inside is also a reminder of the Corsair's relation to the Aviator, and again, that's a good thing. The seats are roomy and comfortable, especially if you upgrade to the perfect position 24-way power front seats with the available massaging function. As for the back seats, there's a good amount of space back there, and they have a tilting and sliding feature, meaning you can customize the space in your Corsair to optimize seating space, cargo space, or whatever balance you'd like in between. This feature is pretty uncommon in this segment. The spaciousness inside the Corsair makes it a pretty good vehicle for small families. Sometimes the space in the back seats and the cargo area of a compact SUV are disappointingly tight, but this Lincoln has space you can actually use. If you have one or two kids or no kids at all and you just want the versatility of an SUV, the Corsair keeps the utility in sport utility. Another slick available feature in the Corsair is Phone as a Key, which is exactly what it sounds like. You can put Lincoln's app on your Android or Apple device, and suddenly your phone becomes a key for your Corsair. It also shows you details like fuel level and oil life, and you can start your car and adjust the windows all from your phone. If you'd rather use the key fob and push button start, you still can, but this Phone as a Key feature is a neat backup. So, what is the Corsair like to drive? More fun than you might think. The base 2-liter turbocharged engine delivers performance that's more than adequate, and upgrading to the 2.3-liter engine makes it a blast to drive. It's agile around corners, and its drive modes allow you to customize your ride to be suitable for your driving conditions. The modes are Normal for everyday driving, Excite for a more engaging ride, Conserve to save fuel, Slippery for wet or icy roads, and Deep conditions for deep snow, mud, or sand. While the 2.3-liter engine is easy to recommend for enthusiasts, Corsairs equipped with this engine get a little pricey, and the base engine would make more sense for most drivers. Like pretty much all of its direct competitors, the Corsair has standard front-wheel drive with optional all-wheel drive. So if you're looking for a nice, modern, compact luxury SUV starting at less than $40,000, the Corsair is worth a serious look. It goes head-to-head with the likes of the Acura RDX, the Cadillac XT4, and the Lexus NX, and we think it's a strong competitor to all of the above. If you'd like to know more about the Corsair, click on the link below and check out the full review on Autotrader.com.